What is it? What is it?
What is that?
Look.
What's that? Try it too.
You better pick it up.
No, I want to see. I want to see. Is there anything for me over
Here,
there?
move your chair and pick it up. Move your chair and pick it up. What is it?
Move your chair. Ma ne treba move chair. To je Hulk.
Mommy, look what I got.
What is it? Oh, which one is it?
Wheeljack. That's a Wheeljack, the new guy.
Okay,
Oh my God.
put the basket on the ground. Let's see what else is in there.
Let's see if I can find more Transformers.
Wheeljack, man.
Whoa. Heather, do you want to feel my muscle? Hey, look who else I got. Cliff Jumper. I got Cliff Jumper.
Let me see.
I got Cliff Jumper. Oh.
Oh my gosh. I never seen Cliff Jumper. You?
I saw him before.
I know. I never see him like this.
I saw him. Oh my God. Man, I got 2 Transformers. 2. Man. What?
What else is in there?
Another 8-week card. Oh my gosh. And more 8. What? Mommy, why I have more Transformers? Hey, guess what I found?
What is that?
Chocolate. Dad, Mommy, how did I get this?
Because it's from the Easter Bunny, honey.
Tata.
Huh?
Look at this Transformer right here. Close. Look at this one.
Hold on, man. Hold on.
Look at him. Close to this guy. Look at that guy.
Hold on, man. Move your finger. Oh, Soundwave. That's Soundwave. Wheeljack. That's Wheeljack. You got the Wheeljack.
Yeah, and I have Bumblebee.
It's the Soundwave Wheeljack. Oh, man. Put him down here. We're gonna... You see, you got the bottle hummer, you know? That's what the...
What else is in your basket, honey? Let's see what else is in your basket.
Oh my God.
What's in that pink egg?
I want a Cliff Jumper to be mine.
No, it's mine, not yours.
What's in that pink egg, honey?
More potty?
No way.
No, you buy nothing.
Coco.
No.
Coco.
Here, you hold it.
How much?
$1.
And how many $1 do you have?
Let me count.
Daj, pade pa.
No, it's not yours, mine. 1, 2, 3,
Are they all $1 bills?
5, 6, 6, 7, and 8, and 9, 10, 11. I have 11.
No way.
Mama, put that in your pocket.
Okay.
Mama, can I open this?
No, look and see what else is in your basket. I think there's still some more eggs laying around too. He's not going to do anything with it. Look and see what else, honey.
Next to each other.
What's in here? More potty?
No, it's not. Oh my gosh.
What's his name?
Thundercracker. One under this is Thundercracker. This is Wheeljack, man. We got the Wheeljack.
Yeah.
You know Wheeljack? That's the new guy, right?
Yeah.
That's the Bumblebee's friend.